Good morning, gardeners. Well, Hurricane Lane has left the neighborhood. It had diminished itself to a tropical depression. I guess now they think it's going to gain some speed, heading west away from here and turn back into a tropical storm again, now that it's done hanging out around Hawaii. Slowest moving hurricane ever. Anyway, it looks like some of the rain bands are still moving in here, but I'm going to try this morning to get over here on this mess right here behind me. There's Crotalaria, the sun hemp over there. I got annual alfalfa growing. I have perennial peanuts growing. I also have a number of weeds. And I'm going to mow the entire patch. Spread some chicken manure, and without tilling it, I'm going to do some no-till sweet corn, if I can get this done before the rain cloud hits. You can see off that way, things look a little ominous. Right here, it's sunny. So we'll see what happens. See you later. Well, I got it mowed. Check it out. Whoa, looking good, huh? Woo-wee. Well, that spread a lot of Crotalaria seed or sun hemp all over. I also mowed sunflower heads. Boom, spread sunflower seeds. So we're going to get a cover crop coming out of there, the Crotalaria and some sunflower. The perennial peanut is mostly below the mower, and so most of that's going to pop back up in between the corn. The annual alfalfa may come back up from the roots, though it was mowed pretty short. We'll see. I'm hoping these things will reemerge underneath the corn after it's planted. The rain is getting closer. Bill should have been out here at 6 a.m. instead of eating breakfast. Oh well, I love my breakfast. So I think I'm going to get hit and probably won't finish the job today, but who knows? Right now I'm going to spread chicken manure all over the place. Well, I got the manure on. Oh, the rain's about 2 miles away down the mountain. I got the corn in my hands right here. I plant fast. We'll see if I can do this or not. Dang, Hurricane Lane anyway, and it's rain. Really messing with my corn planting stuff. Wow, I mean, it was like last Wednesday I was going to do this. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to get at it. No more videos for now. I got to get the corn in. And unfortunately, I didn't have enough space for the usual corn growers rule of 4 by 4. I'm going to only be able to do 3 rows in here. Wish for the best. I don't know, I guess what? Rules are made to be broken? In this case, they sure are. Well, the rain's getting closer. I'm going to have to shut the camera down pretty quick. Corn flat's empty. I used a Japanese Ken hoe to put the corn in. These work really good. I can go right at the hard side that I mowed and go whack like that and then pull, and I'll open up a slot. But that 2 mile away rain apparently is going to hit me in a minute. So camera's going to have to go inside. I'm going to continue out here in the rain, and I'm going to ring this with green beans. We're going to put a legume around the edges of the corn patch on the sunny side and the edges. Maybe I can get a picture, maybe not. We'll see. Well, the first band of the storm has come and gone. There's another thick wave waiting out there for us. Our sunny morning is over, but I succeeded. I managed to get in 3 rows of corn, and I stuck in some of the green beans I had growing here. So this morning was a success. You'll see I utilized my manure bags over there as mulch. We've mulched the field with the composted chicken manure to help keep things from coming up some. The corn will love it. I'm a little mystified though. I have never grown corn under record hurricane rainfall before. This is the first. And the corn is slightly bleached. I guess it just couldn't bring up enough nitrogen during its growth, even though there was fertilizer in the flats. I'm assuming, sitting in a pile of chicken manure like that, that corn is either going to drop dead or grow. Aloha, happy gardening. Have a wonderful day.